Alright, hello everybody. So today we're going to check out a car wash that I have not been to in a very long time. I don't think I've ever made a video of this place. This is the Haffner's touch-free car wash here in Haverhill, Massachusetts. Now, I heard that recently this car wash, there's been some rumors around saying that this car wash actually got a new system. It used to be an Oasis Typhoon, and it appears that it's something else now. So let's see if that's the case. So we're going to go ahead and drive over there and check it out. Let's go ahead and back out of here. Alright. This is a touch-free system, by the way, in case I haven't said that already. Looks like the bay on the left is closed, so we're going to check out this bay right here. And I pulled way too far from the machine. I gotta fix this. I don't know why. I do this every time. There we go. Alright, let's see what we've got. Alright, so we got the works with ceramic, we got the special, and we got the basic wash. Alright, let's do...
Please insert payment now.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put my phone inside the car for now because I don't want to reveal my debit card number. Go ahead and select my card. Alright. Look at that, it's a laser wash. Alright, let's go ahead and pull in. Got a nice undercarriage blast here. Let's go ahead and turn this fan down. It is very hot today. There we go. Hit the sweet spot. All right. Let's see what we've got. Camera's not focusing. All right, it says cleaning. Actually, my window's all the way shut here. Very nice coating. This is a bit newer from the LaserWash 4000 system. That's the one that the arm is all weird and it like stops on each corner and it wastes water. This one has a much smoother motion. I like that a lot. It appears to be a lot more efficient. What's it doing? I guess this is just another layer of soap. Wish I could see what it was doing. Well, I guess we're getting a high power rinse now. Look at that, I can see again. Polishing. Iffy coating on the sides. I guess this is just like a rinse. That was weird, it stopped for a second. Oh, it's using the overhang now. Here we go with the hot wax. I guess we're just rinsing it off now. What does it say? Oh, it doesn't really say anything. So far, I like this place. All right, we're getting another high power rinse. Surface protectant. What is this, like a intermittent pre-soak? That's interesting. And we're on to the rinse already. You can see it does have the built-in dryers, and we'll get to see that right now. Notice how the arm turned. These dryers are doing a decent job. Looks like it's making another pass. There's the arm back there. Oh, that's interesting. The back side of the arm is white. Go ahead and buckle up here. I'm assuming we're going to get out of here soon. All right. Still telling me to park, but I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down. All right, and that is it. And the sign says thank you. All right. Well, I have to say, that was a pretty decent car wash. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and that is it.